Hey lovely people, welcome back to my big fat tummy. I felt love is in the air when I got a whiff of appetizing Indian biryani. Ain't no love like the love of biryani. So today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken special biryani with simple ingredients. So let's get started. First of all, you need to soak your biryani rice for about 2 hours. Here I have taken 1.5 kg of biryani rice. You need room temperature water for this. Now let's move to the main ingredients. First of all, you need 1 cup of garlic paste, 1 cup of onion paste, 6 tablespoons of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of green chili paste, and 1 cup of curd. Now let's connect it with the dry ingredients. Taken cinnamon, clove, cardamom which I have crushed. Now you need some bay leaves which I have taken about 3 to 4, cinnamon, cloves and some black pepper. You also need some biryani masala. Now it's time to show you the pre-cooked things. These are the boiled eggs and the boiled potatoes. I have added some amount of salt and biryani color to this. And most importantly, you need some amount of milk. So now let's move into the recipe. In a kadhai, add 1 cup of oil. Here I am using rice bran oil. You can use refined oil as well. Now adding some amount of salt. This is a tip guys. Adding this will allow the chicken not to stick into the kadhai. Now adding the bay leaves. Adding the crushed spices. Fry this for about 7 to 8 seconds. Adding sliced 1 medium-sized onion. Fry this for about 1 minute till the onion turns into golden color. Now I'm adding the green chili paste. Adding the garlic paste. Mix this very well and saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am adding the onion paste. Again, you need to saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, I have taken 2 kgs of chicken which I have marinated with some lemon, salt, black pepper powder and curd. And I have kept that for about 1 hour. I have sauteed this for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the marinated chicken. Lovelies, it is very important to marinate your chicken for at least 1 hour because this will help your chicken to get softened and also this will make your chicken juicy. This is not possible for me to cook the entire biryani and chicken, which is of about 2 kgs. So I get the help of my mother. She is a great cook, guys. I will show you one of her recipes very soon. So stay connected. Try to coat the entire chicken with the spices. Now I'm adding salt. Please add salt as per your taste. Then cook this for half an hour under low flame. After 15 minutes, let's add curd. Here I have added half teaspoon of biryani color and I am mixing this very well with the curd. In fact, time to add ginger paste. Mix this very well and cook this for another 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'm adding the spices which I have shown you earlier into the cooked rice. I'm repeating once again. These are the cinnamon, cloves and black pepper. After adding this, give a good mix with the entire rice. Moving to the chicken, you can see it's almost cooked. Now I am adding some kevra water. Here I am taking about 2 tablespoons of kevra water. Now adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Adding 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. Now adding meetha adar. You just need few drops of it. This will add a great fragrance to your biryani. So lovelies, this is done. Now I'm going to show you how to seed the biryani rice, chicken, egg and aloo. You can see that I have taken half of the rice and I have added some biryani color into that rice. Now let's move and set this into the biryani handi. First of all, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now adding half cup of warm milk. Now let's follow my mom's process. Lovelies, if you cooked in the way I have shown you, then I must say that you will enjoy while having a bite from the chicken, because this process has given a tender look to the chicken, and yes, you will definitely get the feel. If you want the egg to be white, then you can skip adding color to this. Till now, I hope you have understood that we have taken some white rice and some colored rice. Now it's time to add few drops of meetha atar. Then adding 1 tablespoon of Kevra water and ending this by adding biryani masala. Steam this under low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is my first try in cooking biryani. Trust me, I have enjoyed while doing this. So this is the biryani. Yes, try to flip your biryani rice after 10 minutes while steaming. This will help the biryani to mix with the entire products. Let's serve this with some raita. I will show you the raita recipe very soon. If you enjoyed this video, please do let me know in the comment section below. And yes, if you tried my recipe, please do inform me and share your experience. Thank you for watching. Please show thumbs up to this video and comment if you like my work. Take care guys. Have a great day. Enjoy.